The Amazon Fire HD8 tablet bundle is here, packing both the all-new Fire HD8 tablet and a pair of made-for-Amazon active noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones. Let's dive in. The Fire HD8 tablet itself boasts an updated hexa-core processor, promising a performance boost of up to 30% compared to the previous generation. This translates to a more responsive experience, whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games. Battery life is always a key consideration, and the Fire HD8 aims to please with up to 13 hours of use on a single charge. This makes it a solid companion for long trips, commutes, or simply relaxing at home without constantly hunting for an outlet. Content consumption is front and center, with access to a wide range of streaming services like Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, and HBO. Social media enthusiasts will also find their favorite apps like Facebook, Hulu, Instagram, and TikTok available through the Amazon App Store. It's worth noting that the tablet doesn't support Google Play, so app availability is limited to what's offered in the Amazon ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the included headphones. These active noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones aim to provide a quiet listening experience by blocking out external distractions. The active noise cancellation is UL verified, suggesting a decent level of noise reduction. Audio performance is described as clear and precise, with the headphones delivering a wide frequency range. The goal is to provide an immersive listening experience, allowing you to feel the impact of the music and hear every detail in spoken word content. This bundle offers a convenient package for those looking for an affordable tablet and a pair of noise-canceling headphones. The enhanced performance and all-day battery life of the Fire HD8 tablet make it a capable device for entertainment and productivity, while the included headphones provide a more immersive listening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.